Let's start with question number 10 of exercise 5.3. So we need to show here that we have an AP of A1, A2 till AN. So in this case, we need to find sum of first 15 terms. So let us find what AP is in the case 1 when we have AN as 3 plus 4N. That means we need to take A1. A1 means that when N is equal to 1. So when N is equal to 1, so it will be 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. Now let's find A2. A2 is 3 plus 4, 2. 8 plus 3 is 11 in this case. A3. A3 will be 3 plus 4 times 3 equals 12 plus 3, that is 15. That means we have first three terms now, 7, 11, 15. So on. Now we need to find sum of first 15 terms. That means it will be S15. We are given with A value, that is 7. D in this case is 11 minus 7, that will be 4. That's all what we need, and N is 15. So we need to find Sn. Sn in this case will be S15. So N over 2 over 2A plus N minus 1 D. Now N in this case is 15 by 2. Twice of A will be 7 plus N minus 1. N is 15. 15 minus 1. B is 4 in this case. So 15 by 2 is 7.5. 2 times 7 is 14. And 14 times 4. So when you solve this, you will get your answer as 525. That means sum of first 15 terms in case 1 is 525. Now let us move on to the next part. When An is equal to 9 minus 5n. In this case again we need to find AP first, then we need to find sum of first 15 terms. So second case, when An is 9 minus 5n. So let's find A1 first. 9 minus 5 in bracket 1, so 4. A2 will be 9 minus 5 in bracket we have 2, so minus 1. A3 in this case will be 9 minus 5 in bracket 3, so 9 minus 15, it will be minus 6. So we have three terms now again, 4 minus 1 minus 6. So as you can see that it is of the form of AP, as the common difference between these is minus 5. So let us write AP first, 4 minus 1 minus 6 and so on. Now A is 4, D in this case will be minus 1 minus 4, that will be minus 5. Now we need to find S15, so it will be 15 over 2 twice of A, that will be 4, plus N in this case is again 15, 15 minus 1 D. D in this case is minus 5. So 15 over 2 is again 7.5. 2 times 4 is 8. 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 times minus 5. So 7.5. 8 minus 70 is equal to 7.5. 8 take away 70 will be minus 62. So this will be minus 465. The right answer for the second one is minus 465. So that's all for question number 10. Thank you.